my name is Michael. Welcome to Funfinity Studio, endless fun and infinite learning. Today, we're going to learn why things sink or float. And it's one best of the science video, as in the best of the science video. So, I'll tell you why things float or sink. Things float because it has density which is a bit smaller, and things sink because it has more and more density. You don't know what is it. Let's go to the corridor and tell you how things float or sink. Now let's go. We have water, and then we have a letter O, a Rubik's cube, an eraser, a pencil, and a key. So we'll tell you how things sink or float. So let's start with the pencil first. Does a pencil float or sink? Let's see it. Wow, it floats. A pencil floats because it has smaller density. Next one is the letter O. Does it float or sink? Let's test it in 3, 2, 1. Wow, the letter O floats. Why? Because it has smaller density. Now let's move on to the next one. Next one is this Rubik's cube. Does it sink or float? Let's test it. I don't know. Wow, it floats because it has smaller density. Now let's move on to the next one. Next one is this key. Does it sink or float? Let's test it out. Wow, it sinks because it has more density. Now let's move on to the last one. Does this eraser sink or float? I don't know. Let's try it. Wow, it sinks. The same thing. It has more density. Well, that's all. Now let's go and conclude the video. Don't worry, this video is over. But if you want to watch more, go to Funfinity Studio and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.